All right, well, welcome back to the iWealth podcast. And today there's big changes in the air, and it's not just fall, it's big things that are happening at iWealth. You guys have done a remodel, you got a couple of new people. Talk me through what's all happening in your world, Brad.
Yeah, it's an exciting time at iWealth for sure. Market's not so exciting right now, Matt, but they'll turn. Things are going really well. So we just remodeled the office, had a chamber event here in the last couple of weeks, which was really cool. A lot of local contractors that came in, and from decorations to carpet to desks and things. Have a really cool desk that we kind of rearranged for Monica and signage and all that. So that's cool. So it gives us kind of a fresh look and feel when we walk into the office. But even more so than that is our people. So we've added a couple of people to the team, as you alluded to. We added Matt Potter this year, and Matt's our COO. And kind of helping run all things iWealth. And there's a bunch of other stuff that we're doing that we can talk about. But he's doing a great job and has taken a lot of things off my plate so that we can focus on some other areas. And then also have a gal that, another one in Bismarck. So we have 2 gals in Bismarck that help us with some virtual kind of behind the scene backstage things that they help us with. So there's 10 of us on the team now, which is pretty exciting. You go back 20 years ago when I was by myself, and now there's 10 of us on the team. But, due to serving our clients well, I think, and having a good group of clients, we've been able to build the team. And, they're a client for a reason. We want to take care of them and give them exceptional service. And so it's been pretty cool.
How does this change the client experience? Because you guys have obviously upgraded and it looks pretty, right? Not a big deal there. But what about having these other people? How does that change the client experience?
Yeah, I think what it does is it allows us to have, Sean and JP and I meet twice a month to make sure we're on the same page, call it. So from a technology standpoint, we use the same technology. So if I'm sick or I'm gone and they can step in a client meeting or vice versa, we can kind of hit the road running, then work with our clients. So we're not doing investments. Sean's isn't any different than Brad's or JP's, so we're congruent that way, which I think is really important.
It's a big deal.
Yeah, big deal, and we always talk about it. So we always want to be on that same page, and we have discussions about those type of things. I've been meeting with less clients, so some of those clients have been meeting with JP and Sean. That's a great thing. It's a really good thing. It gives them another fresh set of eyes and ears on their plan.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean I'm fully gone, but it allows them to step in and take those things over. It can be a hard thing to do because those relationships go back 20, 25 years. So for me, I tend to love myself, Matt, and so can Sean or JP do as good a job? Well, actually, they probably do better because they're probably smarter than I am. So anyway, so that's been a little bit of a change. We have a lot of joint meetings now where it's Sean and JP or JP and Brad or, combinations so that we can cover for each other. Many of our clients know we opened up an office in Bloomington right before COVID. So I tend to spend Tuesdays up there, which means I don't have as much time in Waseca to spend with other clients. And so we want to make sure they're adequately taken care of and covered. So the team is all built around the atmosphere, our core values, that kind of thing, which is really neat. And then we also have another feature. So, I wrote Fish Don't Clap about 5 years ago, and we created a workshop and things. But what came out of that is this website. And one of the things that we're missing on our day-to-day interactions with clients was being able to show them and articulate our value around the planning topics like Social Security and long-term care and life insurance, and do they have their will done, and family meetings, all those things. We ask those questions, we document them in a yellow pad of paper or an Excel spreadsheet or something like that. Well, we built this website to be able to be client-facing, so clients pick an avatar for the future, which is kind of cool. We talk about what's important to the client, and then we help them organize. And now we have this lifetime plan score, we're calling it, that our clients were helping them get to the finish line on goal setting and getting it done. And so that's been cool, but what's happened is now there's 50 advisors using this. And so I've been working with those advisors to teach them how to use it with their clients and be a better advisor with their book of business. So there's kind of 3 facets that are going on with iWealth, but bringing Matt in to help keep all that cohesiveness, and then having a great team with good core values, things are bright at iWealth anyway.
It's totally cool. Totally cool. It sounds like you guys will live another day and get to help clients way into the future based on what you're building and
we're hoping
so right now.
Yeah, we're hoping so.
Cool. We will see you back here next time for the iWealth podcast.
All right. Thank you.